Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, will show you where to find, guys, the fuse for your front left window on a Porsche Cayenne, guys. This one will be the first generation from 2002 to 2010. Now we'll have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car, so please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Our goal to save you guys as much money as we can. All you need in return, like and subscribe. This is the Porsche right here, guys, and more videos could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair, guys, as well. So now what do we need to do? If your front left window doesn't go up and down, guys, it could be a few things. It could be bad motor, it could be bad regulator, it could be a bad fuse, bad door computer as well. So quite a few things. Okay, this cover now right here. Okay, get that plastic panel to pry it open. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. These are the fuses, guys. Now we need to find fuse number. Okay, fuse number 14. Okay, will be the one on the very. Okay, it will be that second row here. It will be the very first fuse, guys. Very first fuse, 25 amp fuse. So we're going to replace it now. Okay, get a new one. You can find in the description of the video below, guys, where we get our fuses for amazing price. Replacement fuses, the whole kit for nothing. It's so affordable. Okay, let's check it out now. Window goes up, goes down. So that definitely takes care of the problem. So thank you, guys, for watching. If you have any specific requests, you want to see any specific video, just let me know. Drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So, see you guys. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.